Rosemary is an aromatic herb that has been used for centuries as a culinary and medicinal herb. Native to the Mediterranean region, rosemary is a member of the mint family and has a pungent aroma and a distinct flavor. In recent years, there has been growing interest in the health benefits of rosemary, and research has shown that it has a range of health-promoting properties. Please like and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest content. Rosemary is a perennial herb that is native to the Mediterranean region, including parts of Europe, Africa, and Asia. The plant is a member of the Lamiaceae, or mint family, and is closely related to other herbs such as thyme, oregano, and basil. The name rosemary comes from the Latin words rose meaning dew and marinus, meaning of the sea. This name likely reflects the plant's natural habitat, as it is often found growing near the coast in rocky, well-drained soil. Rosemary has been used for culinary and medicinal purposes for thousands of years. The ancient Greeks and Romans believed that rosemary had powerful healing properties and used it to treat a variety of ailments, including digestive issues, respiratory problems, and headaches. In medieval Europe, rosemary was believed to have protective properties and was often used in religious ceremonies and to ward off evil spirits. In addition to its medicinal uses, rosemary has long been valued as a culinary herb. Its pungent, resinous flavor is well suited to a variety of dishes, including roasted meats, stews, and soups. In many cultures, rosemary is also used as a symbol of remembrance and is often included in funeral wreaths and other memorials. Today, rosemary is widely cultivated around the world and is a popular herb in both the culinary and health and wellness industries. Its many health benefits have been the subject of numerous studies, and it is now recognized as a powerful natural remedy for a variety of conditions. Rosemary has long been known to improve cognitive function and memory. A study published in the journal Therapeutic Advances in Psychopharmacology found that rosemary extract had a positive effect on cognitive function and mood, and improved memory and concentration. The active compounds in rosemary, including rosmarinic acid, carnosic acid, and ursolic acid, are believed to be responsible for these benefits. Inflammation is a natural response of the immune system to injury or infection. However, chronic inflammation can lead to a range of health problems, including heart disease, arthritis, and cancer. Rosemary contains anti-inflammatory compounds that can help reduce inflammation and lower the risk of these conditions. A study published in the journal Food Chemistry found that rosemary extract reduced inflammation in human blood cells. Rosemary has been traditionally used as a digestive aid, and modern research has confirmed its benefits. Rosemary contains compounds that help stimulate the production of bile, which aids in the digestion of fats. It also has antispasmodic properties, which can help relieve bloating and cramping. Additionally, rosemary has been shown to have a protective effect on the gastrointestinal tract, reducing the risk of ulcers and other digestive problems. Rosemary contains several compounds that have been shown to have anti-cancer properties. One of these compounds, carnosic acid, has been found to inhibit the growth of cancer cells and induce cell death. Another compound, rosmarinic acid, has been shown to have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects that may help reduce the risk of cancer. Rosemary has long been used as a natural remedy for stress and anxiety. The scent of rosemary has been shown to have a calming effect and can help reduce stress levels. A study published in the Journal of Phytotherapy Research found that inhaling rosemary essential oil reduced cortisol levels and improved mood in healthy volunteers. Rosemary has been shown to have several cardiovascular benefits. It contains compounds that help improve circulation and lower blood pressure, reducing the risk of heart disease. Additionally, rosemary has been shown to have antithrombotic properties, which can help prevent blood clots. In conclusion, rosemary is a versatile herb that offers a range of health benefits. Whether used in cooking, as an essential oil, or as a supplement, rosemary can help boost cognitive function, reduce inflammation, support digestive health, fight cancer, lower stress and anxiety, and support cardiovascular health. Incorporating rosemary into your daily routine is a simple and delicious way to support your overall health and well-being. Thank you for watching our video. We hope you enjoyed it and found it helpful. Please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe for more content. It helps us out and encourages us to keep creating more videos like this one. Until the next video, we hope you have a healthy and happy day.